Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to save screenshots, pictures, or even videos on your Nintendo Switch. And there is a little button right here on the blue side of the Joy-Con. If we press this down once, this is going to take a screenshot. If we hold this down, this is going to save a 30-second video. So you can see it's saving in the upper left. So just press this button once, take a screenshot, hold it down, save a 30-second video. Now, some games you won't be able to record a video because it's copyrighted or something like that. So some of the Nintendo games like Super Smash Brothers, I wasn't able to do a video in any of the menus. So you might be able to do it in the game, but not the menus. Once you take the screenshots and video clips, we can go to the home screen, go to Album, select this, and you can see here's a 30-second video of me just sitting in the menu right here, going through all the different options. And then here is a screenshot. So you can share this, you can go back, you can delete it, you can hide it. So if we can share it, we can post it to like Facebook or Twitter or X. X is going to give it to you. Send to smartphone, add text, copy, or delete right here. And then here's the date and time. So you can easily take a video recording. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.